Hi guys, welcome to Get Humanities and Social Science YouTube channel. Guys, in this video, I'll give you the important information about MTech program. Okay, MTech uh, application. Okay, and for that, okay, for that application, you have to register in CoAP portal 2021. So I'll mainly talk about CoAP portal. Okay, so guys, let's start. You can see this is common offer acceptance portal 2021, and I think you are able to see this registration in CoAP is open now. Okay, so the students who are from various social science subject, okay, the students who really want to pursue MTech program in social media and culture, it is a program. Okay, it is a program that is offered by IIT Dhanbad. So you will get 2000 12,400 rupees for that program. In every month you will get that money. Okay, because that program actually MHRD supported program. Okay, Ministry of Human Resource supported program. So you will get that fellowship. Okay, that. And now I will tell you like about registration of CoAP portal, because this is very important. Okay, you will get your offer if you uh, if your score is very good. Okay, why I am telling very good, like you have uh, 1 to 200 rank. Okay, between this. Okay, you have rank between this 1 to 1200, because there are very less number, so competition is very less. Okay, I'll make a video about that number of students. Okay, so like in social science linguistic subject, okay, like 335 students like appeared for GATE 2021. It is a very less number. Okay, so that is why if you are getting your ranking like uh, 100 and 150, that is good rank. Okay, otherwise it is average ranking. Okay, so guys, now I'll tell you about your registration. Okay, in CoAP portal, what is that? Look guys, you have to put your registration number, but remember one thing: enter GATE registration number without paper code. So in your registration number, uh, I think you able to see that, like in your registration number, first term was like X age, but you have to put only like 21 s, and after some digits. Okay, that you have. Okay, so you have to put this. You should not put XH before the registration number. That is why it is mentioned here: enter GATE registration number without paper code. You should not put the paper code here. Okay, so you have to put this. Okay, so now you have to put your paper code. Look, and like GATE score, like you have GATE score like 300 560. Okay, you have to put your name, like I am you have to put your name. Okay, so look, and date of birth, you have to put your date of birth, and for date of birth you have to click this. Okay, so you have to select like your year. Okay, so you have to select like year, like uh, this. Okay, so you can select month, look like this. Okay, so you can select this, so thus you can fill up. And after that you have to validate that information. So when you validate that information, it means that this software, okay, this portal will check your result whether it is correct or not. If you are putting any wrong information, so it will not uh, validated. Okay, so you have to click on it. If your information is correct, so you will get a positive signal, like you will get uh, further application parts. Okay, so uh, during that during that time, you have to put your email ID and mobile number. Okay, after that you have to put this code. Okay, this code. Okay, so when you will put all the information like email id, and when you will get email id, when you will fill up all this information, these and this, okay, and this also. So after that you have to validate, and when your information will be checked, you will get email id. So you have to put email id two times, because enter your email id and re-enter your email id, okay. So you will get a password after submitting, okay. After submitting you will get a password, and that you will get in your mobile number, okay, in your registered mobile number. And you will get a uh, like you will get an email, okay. So you have to check that email, you have to see the password in your mobile number, okay. I think this information is now clear to you. So okay, uh, what I will tell now. So after that, after that you have to go to the login section again. Why I am telling you, when you will uh, when you will go to that login section, okay. So you will be able to see that this information, okay. You have to put your id and password. So you will get an option, okay. You will get an option like, you will get a option, okay, to change the email id and password, to change the email id and password, okay. So it means that you can change your password, okay, and your application will be completed, okay. So I think this information will be really helpful. And look, kindly use this information, kindly read this information, okay. So you have to use this only, Mozilla Firefox or like Google Chrome, because this is well updated version, okay. So and look, the Organizing Institute for Common Offer Acceptance Portal, that is IIT Delhi, is one of the prestigious institute in our country as well as in the world. So be careful when you are filling this registration form. And now I will tell you about the program, okay. Look, this, I think you are able to see my laptop interface and cursor also. I am talking about this program, IIT Dhanbad MTech in Social Media and Culture. And like time of application deadline like 15 March, it is already started, okay. So you have like 1 day, you have like 1 day. So sorry, 26th April is the final date, okay. So guys, it is already started, like it is started on like 15 March, and you will be able to apply like up to 26th April. So guys, I think this information will be really helpful. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, okay. Thank you guys, all the best, tata bye bye from my side, and Jai Hind, Bande Mataram.